Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make agidi jollof. So right here I have soaked my corn or maize overnight. So the following day I'm taking out the water and I will rinse it with a clean water several times, just like so. I'm making use of yellow corn, but you can use white corn as well. So after rinsing it properly, I will transfer it into another container before blending it, just to make sure that I take out all the water from it. Then add inside your blender, add some water and blend till it is smooth. You have to have a very strong blender. Repeat the process till you finish blending everything you have, just like so. Then we will go on and sieve the agidi. I will add a chiffon cloth inside my big container. Then I will add a lot of water. First, I tied the chiffon cloth to make it the traditional way, but later on I decided to sieve it another way that came to my mind, and this is how I sieved this. So I added a lot of water, hold my chiffon cloth, and I started washing out the starch from the chaff, just like so. Then after a while, I will just press out some of the liquid with starch from the chiffon cloth. Then I will take out the water. I will continue the process with a clean water again till I bring out more starch or all the starch from this corn. It doesn't take too much time to do. I noticed that this process was easy for me and it doesn't create much mess, because sieving it the traditional way creates a lot of mess in my kitchen whenever I do that. So I just repeated the process now, as you can see. Then I'm taking out the water. I will do this like almost 10, I think I did this like almost 10 times to take out all the starch from it. And when you put your hand inside it, you will notice that there are still more starch inside it, because when the starch is gone, when you touch it, you will have the feeling of chaff. So just continue till you get that feeling of chaff, just like so. Then the container is full now, so I will transfer it back into the big container and I will continue with a small container like this. Then after a while, when I'm satisfied, then I will stop. Here is the chaff. The feeling, you will know immediately that this is chaff, that there is no more starch on it. So I will spread it under the sun, wash my chiffon clothes, clean the kitchen counter. Then I will drop the agidi here and leave it to settle down for at least 8 hours. Here I'm drying the chaff. Then after 8 hours, I will take out the water, and here is the one that I'll be using to prepare this agidi. The other one inside the other bowl will be for pap for my kids, because they love pap a lot. I've already boiled water, so I'll be adding boiled water to this, and I'll continue stirring till it thickens and form pap, very thick pap. You don't need to make it light. Once it is thick, I will turn on my heat or my stove. Then I will start stirring, continue stirring so that it doesn't burn. The reason we made it first into a thick pap is to avoid lumps. I will stir and stir and stir in a high heat for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It is ready when it starts shining. After continuously stirring it for 10 minutes, I'm satisfied with the texture. This, you have to have energy before doing agidi. Then I add a little bit of water by the side, cover it and cook for at least 5 minutes to make sure that the agidi will set when it is done. Then after 5 minutes, you see it became more shiny. Then I will be adding the stew that I made earlier. This is just normal Nigerian stew that I made. Then I added the stew. Then I added a little bit of pepper and seasoning powder. I stirred and tested for salt. Then I added salt. I stirred again, tested for salt. Then I had to adjust it again by adding more salt. Agidi goes very well with crayfish. You can add crayfish to yours. I didn't add crayfish because my husband doesn't like it, but I love crayfish in my agidi. Had it been I was eating it alone, I will add crayfish. I added the bone I cooked earlier inside the stew and stirred it. Then I will start tying the agidi just like so. This is how you fold your oma leaf. Fold it from one end to the other, turn it and flip it by the back. Add or scoop in the agidi inside. Then add your bone or meat or fish, whatever protein you are using for this agidi. You just add it now. Then after adding it, you cover it like this, seal it and put it aside. I will still show you more how to tie it for people at the back. So look very well. I will show you several times how to tie your agidi so that you will get it once you try it. This is very simple to do. If the leaf is small, you can use 2 at once, or if it is torn, you can just use 2 at once. Just like so, your agidi is ready. Allow to cool down for at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Then tadan agidi is set. But if you are doing white agidi, you will allow it to cool down for almost 8 hours or even the whole day. But agidi jollof doesn't take too much time to cool down. And here it is, tasted so good, so yummy. Hope you'll be trying this out. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you try this out, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye till I see you in my next video. Enjoy.